Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about cancellation token in C#. Alright, so we need to understand what is the use of this cancellation token first. So for example, let's say you are supposed to develop a feature which will help the user to download files from your server. Alright, so what they will do, they will start the download from a browser by clicking some link or something like that. And what will happen after all of a sudden, if they want to stop that download, so they will click on the cancel button, and assuming you have not implemented cancellation token, so what will happen, it will look like user has cancelled on the browser and they will feel like it's stopped. Okay, but what will be happening behind the scene, the service or the process still be running on your server, and it will be doing something like which will which are related to the download thing. So you have to stop that process also. How you can do that? So for achieving this kind of thing, you have to implement something like cancellation token on demand basis. So what I have done, I have created a console application, and in that I am generating a lot of numbers, okay, in a loop. Now what I want, when user clicks, or obviously you can't click on a console application, I mean you can press enter or something like that. So on press of a any key or enter, then it should stop that stop that loop, and it should give that number what is the last generated number. So for example, let's have a demo first. So as you can see, it's saying press enter to get your lucky number. So if I press now, you also see I just press enter and you got that lucky number, that is 47099. So what happened, if I show you the loop, you will get it what I'm trying to say. So how I have achieved it, I'm using a cancellation token source, and I'm running that loop in as a task run action. So if you go inside this, I'm using a token cancellation token reference, and I'm running that loop in a while. I'm running a while loop, and I'm running 1000 times, and I'm generating a number between 1000 to 9999. Okay, because I want 4-digit number, that's why I'm doing that. And what I'm doing, I'm checking whether the cancellation request is is there or not there. If it's not there, it will continue to generate continue to run the loop. At the moment you press enter, so what I'm doing on press of enter, because it's async, because it will create a new thread, so your control will be over here, it will be waiting over here. The moment you press enter, it will trigger cancellation token, and what will happen, this value will become true. And the moment it will become true, it will print the number, and it will, there are many ways you can stop the loop, and you can use break, or you can just throw if cancellation requested. And what will happen, it will go into this catch, dot continuous with, and there you can check whether the is there any exception or not. It's up to you what you want to do. Just to this example is just to make you understand how you can do. So I'm just saying it, this block will be called only on cancel. You are having many options actually over here. If you see, on complete, on for, like that you can do. So I'm just printing stop. So when you press enter, it will just print stop, and number is already printed because at the time of the when the value of is cancellation requested is became true. Now I'll show you. For example, let's say if user didn't press, I can make it 100. So I'll run, and it will just automatically stop. So I'm not pressing enter this time, and once that 100 times the loop was able to complete, and then it will just give you that number. See, so you got your number right, 3416, because no cancellation token was received because I didn't press the enter. And what will happen, that loop was completed, and the last number was the last number is 3416. All right, that's pretty much about this video. Thank you very much.